Oh my God. I can't wait to see that. Welcome to another episode of Urban Ghost Urban Exploration. We are having a blast today. Chris scared me in this house. We walked through, we were taking some pictures for Instagram. He jumped out. I jumped. It was the funniest thing. It's on Instagram. Check it out. We are at an abandoned house. Now there's three or four abandoned houses here.
5.
Or maybe more. Now,
3, 4, 5. Yeah,
two of them were allowed to go in. The other 3 were not because it's something with the Department of Transportation. Now, we were contacted by people who are going to tear these places down, and they said that while they were here cleaning these houses out, that they thought they were haunted, especially the one we're in now. So we're going to check it out. It's a cool 2-story home. There's a garage behind it. There's all kinds of stuff we're going to check out tonight. Let's see if we can get some scary stuff, and you're coming with. This is a place that we were contacted to come film. Now there's 3 or 4, maybe more abandoned houses. There's one over here, there's this one, there's this garage, and then there's this place here. Now, we were contacted by the people who are going to demolish this house. I guess they're widening the road, and this place is going to be torn down. But the contractors that work here claim that, well, that they heard things in here, and they think it's haunted, and we're gonna find out. It's definitely a creepy place. I don't know too much other than that. But what a cool looking house. I'll make sure my lens is not too wide. All right. Now we just walked through here and Chris scared me. It was the funniest thing. All right, let's venture in here.
Pretty cool.
It is pretty cool, man.
It's definitely different now that it's dark out.
Oh, it's weird coming to a place and like there's personal stuff around. It's kind of sad. All kinds of stuff. There's a lot of glasses in here. Old lady glasses. It looks like. They definitely liked cows, let me tell you. So we'll see if the claim is true, right? I mean, I guess a lot of these places can feel pretty creepy just because they're abandoned. Doesn't necessarily mean they're haunted. Bienvenido. That place is abandoned. Obviously they're ripping this thing apart. Look at the deck. All kinds of personal stuff.
Trying to find something, Joe, that is so cool and I can't. So I'm gonna probably cut this part out, but.
Yeah. It's weird. It's got like kind of a weird feeling in here, man. I mean,
Oh, dude, especially upstairs, man. I'm not really looking for it.
I know when we were up there, it was weird.
Oh, bummer. So there was, I just want to tell you this because I think on the live video I made, there was someone that made a comment about you and I, and they said that they show their 101-year-old grandmother our videos, and she loves them and looks forward to
Oh, that's
each
all. I
and every
did see
one.
that.
There's no way something
I'm
fell
about to
off
go
this
up there, and
wall.
this is where, if any of this place may be haunted, I feel it would be up there because when we were up there shooting our intros, you'll see, it's got a heavy feel to it, and something definitely crashed downstairs too. And you know, a house like this, you can attribute that to a number of things. Dude, that's what I was just saying. Upstairs is really creepy. It could be because it's so closed in feeling. Hey, man, did you say something like? You didn't whisper?
So this is the closet I did the intro. Oh,
There's really not much. This house, it's relatively small.
I gotta get a new light. It was just lightens up the whole place.
Who's that?
It's the tampon, no big deal.
Oh, is that what that is?
Or a maxi pad without the wings. No wings on that.
No.
It's not a thin either.
That's funny. So, right, is there... like a... sounds like there's like a couple whispers, but it's hard to tell. Go. So it sounds like there may be some whispering, but then there's road noise too. I'm gonna go downstairs to keep our videos different, and let's see what we can capture down here. Let's hope I don't fall down the stairs, although that would be great for the video, wouldn't it? You know, so far I really haven't, besides a feeling of creepiness, I really don't know what these contractors may have felt here, or they kind of just said they heard like voices and bangs and stuff. Now we did hear a bang, but will you talk to us if there's spirits here? What was that? Was that you?
Yeah, probably.
I heard a sigh. Okay, that was Chris.
I just saw.
Whoa. Hey, you know what, Chris? These drawers are filled with stuff. So, I'm wondering if this place supposedly may have a haunting. I wonder if we could use any of that, like a trigger type object. Look at this. They definitely had a lot of antacid, see? I mean, look at that drawer too. What is this? Oh, soap?
So.
You might use those after.
Oh, that's what Joe needs.
You know, I could use that, and it's an unopened bottle.
Everything's just seems so creepy when it's abandoned, you know?
Yeah. What is this? Renewing serum. So from what I can gather from the stuff that's left here, this is probably a house of an elderly woman. Oof. All right, so far, I don't know, this may be a very non-haunted video. We heard a bang. That could be something falling off a shelf, who knows? I mean, there's so many reasons that could happen. Does it sound like whispers in here? Kind of, but there's road noise, so. Still gonna kind of walk around. I'm gonna leave this camera static here for a minute. Try to walk around and see what I could find. If there's any spirits here, would you come up to my camera and talk? Would you make yourself known? You alright? Hey, what was that?
I have no idea.
Didn't you just hear a bang? You didn't hear a bang?
I didn't hear a bang.
I
heard something move. I just assumed you were doing something back here.
No. I wonder if we could. Would you agree that the upstairs of this place seems the scariest?
Yeah.
Why don't we?
That's the only real. I mean, I don't know, but whatever we heard down here before, that was loud. And
why don't we go upstairs, put on the red light and the necrophonic app, and see? I think it was an elderly woman that lived here. That's what it appears by the stuff left behind.
Wow. I wonder how old she is, if she's still using those.
Probably very old.
Without the wings.
Well, this is true.
It could have been her daughter.
This is very true too. So we don't really know who lived here.
No, I just, I don't know if, like I said, there was a history on one of these highways of houses that they dubbed as Murder Row. But to be quite honest, this is like I hear little things, but nothing.
Nothing major,
nothing
right?
crazy.
Yeah, nothing crazy. So, I wonder if the necrophonic app may give us some clues. Yeah, so, this may be one of our videos that we don't really capture anything. I don't really feel that much. Maybe a couple little whispers, like I said. Could be the road. Definitely heard some bangs. That could be attributed to so many things. Curious to see if the Necrophonic app does in any way give us any inclination of what may have happened here, or did somebody pass here? Is there a haunting here? I mean, these people that reached out to us seemed adamant that this place is haunted. So
Yeah.
let's give it a whirl. You want
Let's
it?
do it, yeah. Okay.
All right. So
And we are going to be, I'm taking Joe to the house on the hill here really soon.
yeah.
So stay tuned.
Yeah, we have so many great videos. Not to mention, we're going to film the other place tonight too, so we got so much to do. All right, so should we go as limited light as possible on this?
Yeah.
You want to do that? Let's see what we may pick up now. If there's any spirits here, there's supposedly a haunting of something, according to these people who are working on this property. So maybe they can give us, if there's a spirit here, maybe they can communicate with us through this. So let's see. All right, necrophonic. And I always say necrophonic. I should be referring to the spirits, if there are spirits here. Spirits here, you can try to communicate to us through this device, if you would. Is there something up here you want to make yourself known? This is your opportunity to be heard. House. God.
What the hell is that?
It sounded like a cat meowing. Who lived here? Are they haunting this place? You. It says you. Don't be sarcastic with me. This is something about an app. Can you tell me? So the people that are working on this property to demolish this, who are you? Are you trying to contact? And we're gonna just do this for a minute. I think Chris was hearing stuff and he's got goosebumps all over his arm. Is there anything you want to share with us at this point? Two of them died? I'm not sure. All right, good night. So Chris seems to be here. It sounded like a cat behind me, which is really weird. Why would there be a cat? Okay, hold on. Let me shut my light. Oh, that light is so cool. This light should pick up stuff. Like this picks up weird shadows, this color light.
Shut it off for 1 second. I want to show you something. How freaking scary this is.
Okay.
How freaking scary that is. Watch. So I came over here and I felt like there was something right here, Joe.
Let's see.
That's
Let me
when I got
try
the
to
chills.
give it a little more light. What was that? That's funny. What was that? It's not.
I just felt like somebody moved.
Hold on, let me turn this back on. Chris is right. This staircase is creepy. The visual of it.
I just swear I felt like somebody just moved.
Did you feel a breeze, a cold breeze?
Dude, I don't feel good right here. I mean, I don't feel sick, but I just feel like.
So, okay, so the staircase could be, let's see if let me try to change this light. Oh, look how creepy this looks through here, man, with this light on.
Oh my goodness.
It does look creepy, especially with that wallpaper. Is there a spirit that wants to show themselves? The light here for a minute.
You just hear like a ooh.
Mm-hmm. Something just went like, ooh.
Like a Halloween ghost. Ooh.
Yeah. So yeah, we just we just heard something go ooh, like it's kind of funny because it almost sounded like what you would do it on Halloween. Sorry guys, I gotta laugh at this. This is funny. It's actually funny what we do in a way because I get so much enjoyment out of it. At the same time, it's scary, but it's exciting. And even a video, if we don't pick up stuff, still's. Hey man, what was that?
Dude, I've got a really bad feeling like somebody's right in here with us.
What was that?
What did you hear?
I just heard like a loud sigh. Like, you know how we just heard woo? Something just went.
I didn't hear that. It sound like it was down here? Because possibly could have been me too. I don't know if.
No, it sounded like it was behind me. You okay?
I'm okay. I'm just, dude. I'm kind of scared.
Yeah.
All of a sudden.
Okay, so Chris says he's feeling freaked out. I'm feeling more kind of like, I don't know, kind of like in a funny mood, like it's comical to me. I like the way this looks like. This room, like this wallpaper would be something probably from a few decades ago, is something popular, you know. Kind of looks like the Amityville Horror House, like wallpaper, if you see the pictures of like the original rooms, how they were in 1974. Would you make a side for me? Anything? So my take on this is that I've been to places a lot scarier. Chris is freaking out, and rightly so. I mean, it is weird being in a house like this, like, especially when it's dark outside. I'm gonna go check out like the garage and stuff.
Be careful because there's a house back there.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut off for 2 seconds because the tape's going to cut and I got to take a little bathroom break, so I'll be right back.
I'm gonna try to venture outside and see, maybe. Well, that's weird. Hey, you know, that one of those abandoned houses, let me shut this, is really lit up back there. Look at that, almost like a purple light. Let me try to zoom in. See that purple light out there? It's like a purple light on the house. Huh. Anyway. It is spooky. Guys, sorry about all this road noise once again. I mean, we have no control over that. I know you know that, and I know people have said to me before I don't need to apologize, but I try to avoid it when possible, and it's not always possible. So there's this house that we're going to do a second video on, which really looks pretty well destroyed and about to collapse. And I'm not sure if this garage area belongs to this house or the one we were just in, which is right over there, which was super creepy. Is it haunted? I mean, I don't really know. I don't think so. Let's check this out though. Pretty interesting. There's really not much to it. So there is a flag, and what I'll do before I leave is you can actually, well, I want to take it off the ground first and foremost, and you could turn those into the VFW and they will actually properly dispose of them. It's, you know, we don't want to leave that here. So in conclusion, yeah, this was a cool place. It's a cool Explorer. Haunted, I mean, I'm kind of on the fence if there's anything haunted here. I mean, we were told that it would be. I mean, who knows? When we play this back, maybe we picked up some things. It sounded like I heard a sigh up there. Definitely heard some bangs. Haunted video? I don't know. Creepy video? Definitely yes. We still have that house to check out. We got some cool places coming up. This one's yet to be determined, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out our merchandise below at uguebrothers.com. We're all settled in South Carolina, bringing you guys new content. I wish we would have picked up some amazing stuff here, but I guess that's the name of the game. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. This, I feel, like I said, to reiterate, it's definitely spooky. It's spooky walking into any place that's, you know, a derelict place. Can't really say that for sure there's any kind of haunting here. Nevertheless, hope you guys enjoyed this, and much love, much peace to everybody. Gonna take care of that flag because it's just the right thing to do, guys. Love and peace. Have a good night. We are about to shoot the second video, and there's somebody talking real close to us. Dude, that was like right here. Alright guys, so this may be part of the first video. We just concluded this house. About to do an intro on this house. There's somebody here. Let's find out what's up. That talking was real close to us, man.
Guys, Chris, come see the right here.
Holy cow, that was creepy.
Too.
Yeah. So there's somebody that was talking. I was just about to do my intro and I hear Chris saying, "Hey guy, what the heck is here?" Did you see somebody?
No.
Oh, asbestos danger. All right. Welcome to another episode of Urban Ghost Urban Exploration. I'm here with Chris from C's Crazy Crossroads. We just finished shooting one house. Now we're shooting another. Here's the thing though, like it was crazy. Like we just shut our cameras off. Now we just got done saying how the other place isn't haunted, all this other stuff, right? We shut our cameras off and it sounded like somebody like walked up and was talking to us. We freaked out, ran over there to see. There's nobody there. It's so weird. We were gonna.
There it is now.
Yo, there's talking here. I hope this is picking that up. All right, I'm gonna finish this intro. We're gonna go shoot the other house. There's either somebody here. We gotta go. All right. Hey, listen, guys. Let me see what's going on. Anyway, we're about to shoot our second house. This one now, as I mentioned, there's 3 houses here. This one says asbestos danger. We're not going in there for anything. There's talking. Wow. Okay. Anyway, you guys are coming with. Let's do this. So here's the deal. We're thinking that maybe we just made one video tonight, and this is going to be at the end of the other video. I'm going to just show you around here real quick, and there was somebody talking, man, like real close to us.
It sounded so like muffled too.
It sounded like it was coming over a loudspeaker.
Yeah, but not. But right? Like it was and it wasn't.
Yeah.
Like it was missed the microphone.
I don't know. I'm gonna try.
I'm really like freaked out though.
You think so?
Just went around. Guys, I'm gonna try to chop this up a little bit to see if this is yeah, with that, be careful because there's a ton of asbestos in there, buddy.
Yeah. No. I'm just making sure nobody's in here.
I can smell it already. What the hell was that, man? No problem.
Yeah. We don't even know how to explain it because during my intro, I hope it picked it up. There was without a doubt. It sounded like somebody. You know what was weird about that? It sounded like they were in the garage with us.
I know, dude. I'm telling you. That's
We just got done filming, saying the other place wasn't really haunted, or we didn't think it was, and then there was like a male's voice, so loud and clear. I think I got it on my second intro. So I think what we're probably gonna do is have one video. This will just be at the end of the first video, but we're gonna look around here first. I mean, this is insane. Dude, that was the clearest voice I ever heard. I mean, absolute clearest voice.
So when stuff like this happens, that's happening, you get it.
Asbestos, see? Danger, danger, danger. Definitely not gonna cross this threshold. I'm curious to see who was talking to us, though. That's so unreal. It was like right next to us. There's clearly nobody out here. That's what's really weird. Yeah, I can't, I don't know. I say we go back in the garage and finish this up. Maybe, or you want to get out. What do you want to do?
Oh, I mean, yeah. That's
Maybe there's something in that garage.
It's something. Let's see. What's that?
All right, we're gonna go back in the garage and see if we can get this voice again. I mean, it's incomprehensible.
Oh, there's somebody coming. See that light?
Oh no. So now I could kind of see what these people were talking about. If this place is like haunted or whatever's going on, because dude, that was so loud. I mean, honestly, like that.
So I cranked on, I turned it off, and then Joe was doing another intro, and they're just all messed up. They're all befuddled, if you will. And as Joe was talking, boom. Well, they put light on that house there, because that's occupied. You know?
Yeah.
See that one over there?
Yep.
You want to startle people.
All right, we're gonna sit here for a minute and see if we pick up that voice again. The craziest thing now, I heard disembodied voices in my ears before. I heard bangs. It sounded like somebody was like in here going, like, what are you doing in here? But in here with us, but I don't know what they were saying. I'm just giving an example. Wow. Can you talk to us again? This is cool, man. Alright, so this is going to be a longer video.
Yeah, I think we'll just throw it all on one, right?
That's what I'm going to do.
Yeah. So, I don't know, you may get 5 different 6 different intros, and just kind of sitting here waiting for that noise.
Yeah. Again, I'm going to take this with me and give it to the VFW and let them properly dispose of it. The American flag, it's disgraceful to leave it on the ground.
This is weird.
Yeah, I have a feeling that Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I mean, wow. We just finished shooting the house. Really don't know if we picked up much, and honestly we really don't know until we play it back. It sounded like we heard some stuff. Came out here, there was a man talking in this garage. Like we went running looking for like whoever was here. There's nobody here. The crazy thing about it was when I was doing my intro, I may have picked it up because he started talking again. Wow. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my god, that scared me. I am so jumpy. A ginormous cockroach beetle thing just jumped up. Anyway, I'm gonna conclude. Love you guys so much. Have a good night. Peace.
I remember that summer eve. Since then I just can't think straight. 'Cause this girl's got a hold on me.